Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to Vivo Y76 5G. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Oppo. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you need to select receive on Vivo and send on Oppo. Now click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose send and click on got it. Over here you need to select no thanks and close this window on Vivo. And now as you can see we have two connection ways. We can scan the QR code by choosing this scanning icon on Vivo, tapping on while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But we can also just input this key over here, we have a lot of time to do that and select receive. Now as you can see, after literally a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!